Hello everyone, our project is Earthquake Detection System using wireless sensor network. My name is Saiteja Murari. My team members are Kalpesh Patil, Farhan Sheikh and Rajkumar Singh. As we know, earthquake is a natural phenomenon which cannot be avoided and it causes damage to many lives and properties as well. So, in order to save ourselves from this disaster situation, we can use the technology to stay alert and be smart and take the actions accordingly to avoid the damages or injuries. Our project is an early warning system that can detect the earthquake and provide the warnings, alert messages before an earthquake occurs. Even an 1 minute early warning can save lives of many human beings. Maybe we can't yet predict earthquake, but we can detect their first shakes early enough to save ourselves. Basically, the earth crust is made up of tectonic plates and when they move against each other, they create vibrations. These vibrations are called as seismic waves. In our project, there is a network of sensors that can catch the vibrations or waves and given alerts accordingly. Our main aim is to detect these seismic waves using the devices which are present in our project like Arduino Uno, accelerometer sensor, vibration sensor, which will give us the indication about the earthquake before it strikes at the core of that location.
My name is Kalpesh Patil. The devices used in our project are Arduino, vibration sensor, GPS device, Wi-Fi module. The Arduino is an open source microcontroller board based on microchip. It is equipped with set of digital and analog input-output pins. It has 20 digital input-output pins, USB connection, a power jack, a circuit system programming header, and reset button. As the Arduino is the brain of our main device in our project. Next is the vibration sensor. It is highly sensitive non-directional vibration sensor. When the module is stable, the circuit is turned on and the output is high. When the moment or vibration occurs, the circuit will be briefly disconnected and output is low. As vibration sensor is one of the major sensor used in our project, which is used to detect a particular wave which comes from core of earth, and it detects its strength, through which we will able to understand the strength of earthquake. Next is the GPS device. A GPS device is used to keep the track of the location where the main devices are located and keep track of their location and its longitude and latitude. The network devices which going to form a network, it keeps all track of all network devices in our network. Next is the Wi-Fi module. The Wi-Fi module is the medium through which we can send the project collected data to cloud, and also it's a medium through which each device in our network will communicate with the directly cloud through each other.
My name is Rajkumar Singh, so I will explain you how our project will work. As you can see, the connection diagram of a project, each sensor are connected to Arduino microcontroller board. As you can see in the map, the blinking dots are the location where the device are installed. Now this installed device will create a wireless sensor network, and each device present in the network will keep monitoring until the earthquake detected. As soon as the earthquake is detected, it will send the data to central monitoring system. The central monitoring system will give the time when the earthquake will occur and the range of earthquake. After monitoring the range and time of earthquake, the data will be sent to the cloud, through which the alert message will be sent to different platforms like telecom message, alert, mail, WhatsApp message, etc. Now, how the range of earthquake will be detected. For example, consider location A and location B. On both the locations, the devices are installed. The range of location A is 10 km and the range of location B is also 10 km. Now, location A detects earthquake whose range is 10 km, and at the same time location B also detects the earth. When these multiple devices detect the earthquake at the same time, we can calculate the range of earthquake. In our case, the range of earthquake is 20 kilometers.
My name is Farhan Sheikh, and I am going to talk about the future innovation and developments that can be done in our project. Future development of the warning system will include installation of large number of seismic stations and upgrading station telecommunications. New and upgraded sensor technologies are needed to reduce earthquake detection times, allowing warnings to be issued faster. In the future, additional sources of ground motion observations can be integrated in the early earthquake warning algorithms. Additional data may be able to help to reduce the time of detection and improve the early estimates of earthquake magnitude and location. Some examples of future devices includes real-time GPS displacements. Here, data from every regional GPS networks is collected and it can be useful for identifying large earthquakes that can have centimeters to meters of ground displacements. Also, low-cost sensors can be hosted at homes, businesses, companies or schools. These low-cost sensors use microelectronic mechanical systems which are known as MEMS accelerometers that are contained on a single computer chip. We consider the expected warning time for hypothetical earthquake systems that use point source description of earthquake to estimate growing as well as recognize faulting. To conclude, the warning message passed to the people can help not only in the protection of their livelihood and property, but also it can be helpful in saving the nation's wealth. Thank you.